Dog, why is it? Hey, so everybody's quiet up.
Yeah,
Like these niggas, man, don't you see?
yeah, abafasi bethu tanga.
These niggas.
Mina I believe umfazi wami sekugrade 2. Mina I believe.
Yeah,
umfazi wami
tanga
sekugrade
zethu
2.
tanga zi-fucking up tanga manje tanga.
Tanga these hoes bamanje.
Zi-fucked up tanga.
Phela banjile ku-area yesikhothane.
Oh, ndoda.
Bangena kuma
Lapho ke yala.
Storm,
Yeah.
hip hop.
Piano. Slay Queen.
Mapipa enga.
Yo, ndoda.
Yo,
These hoes, man, you know
Yo.
what this is.
wena uyindoda uyakena ngigama 3
Abaphethe
awukazi
Wayenza.
awukazi wayenza awukazi mara khona ebamyenza i3 oh abuthela bamayetanga nale ngoma ezamanje azaba fuck up la shit into kaTobi
Yeah, I fuck up a plan.
fuck
Fuck up a plan.
and fatherless homes.
So that's not gonna end.
I mean, I believe, I hope it won't, but at least yes. Ngoba la eMzansi ngathi sawashiya le music.
Yeah, playing.
Yo, I la eMzansi.
Economy is.
Hayi phela thina we are there.
Sila.
Kula macraft la ya we there. Mara phi. Ngabutherwa manje ntwana. Bona ba right bamnandi. Bahle futhi.
Huh? I
But
killed him.
but inkinga abathandi.
Yeah, too much.
Tangina tanga.
umnika imali akazi wenzani ngayo.
Ndoda, sobiza abangani bakhe.
Akana like
That's my kid, dog.
akana like umjita ne like mara nginamali. Aka complain to up until kuba ne emergency nyana something yo eshikhalelizo.
Yeah.
Nah, obvious.
Maru girl is at not okay for
The last week go to kumkaita. Last week go to kumkaita.
nini nisikakhalela amawisi umtshela amawisi.
That's Ngiyakubona amathumbu nje papa nekhabishi. Ngiyabona amathumbu ngcono nje papa nekhabishi. Yeah, cash uzabambisa mfo.
Kaka pig dog.
Uzabambisa uzabona na. Uyabona ku plan loss.
SM.
Mara sometimes bayabona mara abayinaki dog. Kumele ayenze iplan. Indoda yini.
Hey, yo, Sam. So,
What up?
Please let go.
Jimmy.
Kichi.
So vele la emhlabeni dog. Living
dog, are you committed, my nigga, dog?
To women.
To a woman, yeah, are you committed right now?
Okay.
We're not, dog. When are you going to commit?
I can't say no. I'm putting shame.
When are you going to commit, dog?
Maybe tomorrow
Yeah, fair.
or maybe next month. Yeah, what's one? I'm telling them. Right now, right now,
Then why you
Nah, excess
why you
in
clapping
your
cheeks, dog? If you ain't trying to commit,
too much testosterone, man. Too much testosterone pills, man.
yo, Debs, dog.
That can only go
Are you
so
committed,
far.
my nigga?
currently.
Yeah. Why not, dog?
I've been killed dog.
Yeah,
Been killed and then so far it's actually true.
yeah. You don't, so the problem is you. It's not the girls, no?
Obvious
Ah,
dog.
fair.
Winking always. We problem.
Vele mara kahle sivele ta amantombazane inkinga le.
Yeah.
Lawa.
When you commitment, you bona kanjani, dog?
Tanga mina.
Commitment.
Mina tanga commitment ntombazane.
Is it a good idea?
Yeah, for a minute good idea bro. Lo muntu lo jufana njenge alcohol ngakujikela manje siswini bro. Yang understand. Jikela siswini njengotshwala mfethu. Yang understand. And manje umuntu onjalo bro. Akakusati. And no good like ngikhulumela into engicabanga
Yeah.
blacklist bro. I'm photo serial.
Ish, mfana. Yo,
Yang
we gonna
understand.
go
Ngeke kuba confirm bro case labantu labo. Mangabe uzodela
Hey.
ukuthi taxi yanginkasalala mina.
Think I'm actually not a psychopath.
Yeah, obvious.
Kanjani,
yeah,
dog?
obvious.
Like tanga yabona ukuthi ebuzu fresh kanjani uyashuta yazi outside grand akani kanti makani media izama ezinye izinto ushanga amafist namkeka
Wena
Yabo.
umzami dog. Uzohamba.
Obvious uzobona.
naliphi
bro.
tata
uzoboshwa bro wami and thina sokuphelela sokushayela round team sikhaye kuma 15k sithi Jozi Mbamba nal 50k ncenga kule month le
Again, dog, the crazy thing, ne? It's the fact that these girls are like, niggas these days are fucked up. But Tina has the chance, we're singing the same thing, we're like, these girls are fucked up. Everybody says everybody else is fucked up.
But then don't you think we're the same?
And they were all searching for like, this perfect partner, dog, you know? Yeah, that girl with 0 bodies, yeah, right?
Perfect partner AI. Date an AI chick. Good to go, bro.
That perfect girl in Timana, dog, with 0 bodies.
I'm not sure no more about show up and on at least to be much.
Yeah.
You know.
Number plate.
No more about
You're gonna commit to a virgin, dog.
Yeah, dog.
That's why.
Where are you gonna? Is your talab, dog?
makhaya bro makhaya KZN bro
Yeah.
ngaya khona so umntana na 14 marushanga ngibhodi yo 14 marushanga ngibhodi
That's some purifiers.
There's about purified.
That's what I was telling about like much don't wanna crane my brother apere moving along
balatanga bakhona abantu labanjalo bro wami bakhona bro banengi bro wami umntana vela igiant bro wami
Roxa say VV.
Bro, what phone? What's your phone, dog? What's your phone called? What's the name of your phone?
S10.
Right. Dog, I was looking for the right phrase. I can't.
Yeah.
I'm trying to like wanna set my words straight, man. Shit. I feel.
Oh, dog. I'm telling kumele si retire this year. The truth is about to come out this year.
Yo.
Mina ngasho don't retire, dog. Don't play with your chances. So if you like ulavela take that shit. Sana sakata. Unukudivisa lesiwani. Kabanga tushama steroid. Elesiyazi dawo ngali PlayStation 6.
Not breaking because in Saudi has.
You
fall in love with the woman.
Not alone.
Yeah. Sure.
But you niggas, you don't think it's like the fact is we recording this shit, we out here smoking weed, man. Shit's gonna like paint like the wrong picture about us.
It is.
Yeah, it is.
It's gonna paint the wrong picture about us.
A wrong picture. But see, then again, we smoke.
Trejo Ebujo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung